everyone, I'm Heather from the Nocatee Welcome Center, and it's Walkthrough Wednesday, brought to you by the award-winning developers of Nocatee, the Park Group. And I am so excited to be in the magnificent community of the Hammock at 20 Mile. And this is an exclusive Glen Layton Homes community, and I am joined by the fabulous Katrina. I can't say enough, you are fabulous, and what she's done for this company and what she sells out here. She's going to talk about this amazing product today. So thanks for having us, Katrina.
Well, thank you for being here. It's quite a pleasure, and we have an opportunity to show you one of the largest front porches here in Nocatee.
It really is, and it does wrap around.
Wrap around porch so that you can spend those wonderful afternoons rocking in your chairs out here on this front porch, seeing your family and friends playing in that beautiful front yard area there. It is a private cul-de-sac enclave that we have here of 9 100-foot large lots. Just perfect for that great setting.
And these are the largest lots that you can find in Nocatee, and every single one of these, as Katrina just said, are all the largest, all the same, and of course a few different shapes. So you need to come out here today and pick them. And also you need to come out quickly because Katrina has already sold off 2 of them, right, Katrina?
Absolutely. We're very excited.
Yeah.
We've got some activity going on here. We've got some wonderful homeowners that are going to be joining us. But of course, you know, we only have 9 lots out here. So with those being taken, you know, that leaves us down to 7 lots available. And of course, the home that you're touring today is available now. Let's not forget about the Tidewater plan that we're reviewing today. That's available, like I said, now if you're ready.
Wonderful. And can we look at this architecture outside? Because this is something I want Katrina to talk about.
When we're doing all of our homes, the inside is important, but so is the outside. Of course, and you're seeing this beautiful front porch that we've done on the front elevation of the home, but I must say that the rear elevation of our homes are just as beautiful as the front. And that gives you that extra special custom feel when you know that you have beautiful windows placed throughout the home to give you all of that natural light on the inside, but it gives you a spectacular elevation for your homes all the way around, not just the front.
Absolutely. And when you approach this Tidewater model, which is available to purchase, by the way, again, Katrina already said that, it really is magnificent. You get this wow factor. You get this also, this extra, the garage, the room up above,
right,
and which Katrina will talk about later. But we're going to also look at the backyard because the exterior of the home in the very back is just as magnificent.
Absolutely.
So let's go inside.
Come on in, let's take a look.
Oh, absolutely
Wow.
beautiful. Yes,
We
big
have a
wow
beautiful
factor.
2-story family room entryway is there, which opens up to our fabulous family room space. And you have formal dining room, as you're showing right there, that has very easy access to the kitchen. And great seating, very comfortable to get around as well. So in our family room here, you have large 10-foot sliders that are very easy to operate as well. Even though they're large, it gives you quite the great view for your home. We've also done some nice, again, some of those details that you could see from the rear will be the portholes that go only on the inside as well as the outside as well. So you've got some beautiful features and trims that you've done. Our vaulted ceiling with the wood beam and tongue and groove. We've done quite a few features throughout the model here that will show you those extra custom features on the interior as well as the exterior of the home. Then of course, Carly, you're moving around to our fabulous kitchen here. So you've got plenty of space in our island here for seating 4 of your family members, as well as you have cabinetry accessibility underneath.
Oh, I love
So you've
that.
got cabinets that go all the way to the entire length of the island space. So
Wow.
great entertaining there for you. Okay?
And also, with Katrina just pointed out the seating area, and they put very large, comfy chairs here, so to dress up this home. And so it's showing you, I mean, right here, you've got 4 chairs, but if you just did the normal, just smaller chairs, you can put 6 people back here. And look at this magnificent view right
that's
here.
beautiful.
Look at all those windows. Again, those details that you get that are all been wood cased and trimmed out as well gives you great lighting. Now our plan also is to do in there will be a banquette, so you can have true window seating all the way across, and that's one of those final touches that we're going to do to the home to still allow the buyer to have some custom feels that they designed specifically for the home. Okay? And we'll take a look at our surprise in here. We have one of those traditional little swing doors. Surprise! And that is our butler's pantry, where you've got great storage, as well as an ice maker and wine cooler there for you. And it gives you that extra space to put all those large appliance pieces so you don't have to clutter your main kitchen area there and have a nice coffee station or your mixers or anything like that you would have to take
But
up
I like
space
that
for
it's hidden should you want it hidden.
Should you want it hidden, absolutely.
Oh, I love, and let's look at these cabinets too, because Katrina did point out the cabinet, but just look how it goes to the ceiling, the attention to detail. It's breathtaking. Oh my gosh.
I know. Nice refrigerator. This may not be, this is big enough for you.
Oh my gosh.
Wow.
That's amazing, by the way.
People as they come in and they try to pull the door on here and it's like, it's so heavy, it's an automatic child lock, so to speak, because the doors are really heavy. So,
Wow.
I mean, this is just so fabulous. Okay, we have, yes, come around.
we'll come on around here and see to our powder bath. And here we've done
Oh, look how
some beautiful
beautiful.
finishes in here. And this is another little hideaway that we've done
Oh.
to have an insert of cabinetry for your linens.
So nice.
And you don't normally see
And
that.
you don't want to see, it's not taking up any space. It's a nice pocket within the wall there.
And look at this trim around the doors. Again, it just keeps catching my eye that Glen Layton himself, you know, and that's another thing. Glen Layton, the name this company is named for, but he is hands-on with
Absolutely.
these floor plans, every aspect. So the attention to detail, even just around the trim, something as basic as trim, is just breathtaking, just so beautiful. Now look at this laundry room in here. Nice size.
Again, another window. We'll
Wow.
have to put in- if we can put a window in your home, that's what Mike is going to do for you. Mike Stoffer is our architect that designs all of the homes for us. And he loves windows, and they are beautiful. Everyone likes more natural light, of course. So that's a great area that you're going to enter into the home.
What's this out? Oh, this is that walkway. Okay.
Yes.
So look at the
That's
beautiful
your breezeway.
breezeway. Carling,
Oh, wow.
Carling will wait on her driver in this space. So watch out,
Wow.
Mike. Carling's gonna actually buy this house.
So you've got a nice
love this.
covered breezeway. Again,
how
more
nice.
of those tongue and groove features that I was telling you that we have on the exterior as well. But that leads to your carriage suite, which is 450 square feet up there. So great office space or teen suite or in-law suite or man cave, you have it. And then you also have a 3-car garage space as well.
But you're never gonna get rained on. So I'm glad you
You're
actually that we
completely covered.
showed that breezeway because it shows that you're always under a cover. Now with Glen Layton, something else they're known for, Katrina, smart homes.
Smart home, that's correct.
Oh.
We were HGTV Smart Home Builder a few years back, and Glenn got some national recognition with that. So with those whole smart home features, we include in all of our homes a smart home package with an iPad.
Oh.
So
I'm gonna go outside.
Oh, yes. Show that.
great. And Heather's going to go ahead and get us started so you can see exactly how some of those features are going to work. But we use a wonderful operating system called Control 4, and that does allow
Oh,
you
let's see.
to have all of these different systems capable within your home.
wow.
And Heather's outside at our front door to show you some of the camera capabilities that we could do.
Oh, let's see.
There she is.
Hey, Heather.
There you go.
Oh.
So we include this in all of our homes, the Control 4, and you can do wonderful lighting fixtures.
Oh, let's see,
So
I'll pan.
see if
Can
we
you do
can
the
get a
kitchen?
little bit of that. Well, we have a wonderful all-on or all-off feature.
Wow.
So all of the homes that you have connected to the system can come on and off at a push of a button. That can be controlled from your iPad. It can also be controlled from your cell phone, sitting on the sofa, or sitting in the airport in New York. These are all systems that you can operate at home or away. So my favorite, I think, would be the thermostat when you're sleeping at night.
Carling, please show this. Look at this.
That is your thermostat
Oh,
control.
wow.
So you can control the temperature from a simple turn of that button there.
Wow.
While you're sleeping at night, if it's a little too warm or a little too
Right.
cold, you can simply adjust that without having to get up to do it.
But also, if you're away from the home, the things that you can do. So when you are greeted at your home, you're
Correct.
greeted with that light. You're greeted with the air that
Absolutely.
you want. Let's actually,
Move
you
the
want to go in the
message.
front room?
Okay.
real
Oh,
quick?
yeah.
Let's take
We
a quick
forgot.
peek in here. This is actually a secondary bedroom downstairs, but we've merchandised it as an office to show you a little bit more about all the different homes that we've done, and also just to give you a feel of it can be done as an office.
Sure.
So if you need it, it does have a full bath access in here, and you have a closet.
Yeah, we
don't
lots
have
of
a
space,
closet.
but just
That's
yes.
the closet.
But I love, look at the barn doors.
Oh,
You
wow.
gotta love those. And again, sales center in the front, of course, but what a great bedroom and what a great view. Or office or whatever. And I'm sorry we're not gonna be able to show the viewer today upstairs, but I want you to know when you come visit this home, it is just as outstanding upstairs.
Absolutely. We've got
Okay.
great storage.
Wait,
One
we
of
have
those
to,
favorites.
sorry, we have to show this.
Oh, your
No.
favorite.
You know I love storage. Oh, look. No. It wraps.
Oh
y'all,
my
God.
It's going. I promise you, it keeps wrapping around.
Wow.
Tons of storage. I don't know why I'm bending down.
Wow.
Storage in this space.
Wow.
And then you have your more light again. Look at those beautiful windows
Wow.
up there.
Just
And
again, the
ship up
details. I love this. And Katrina, look how beautiful this little niche is. Why?
I know.
It's cute.
Let me tell you the story behind the little niche area. Mike likes to accommodate the homes when he's designing for future needs. So in here we have this beautiful little niche here with lighting and everything, and then above us upstairs is closet space for us. So that would enable, the family, if there's ever a need to have an elevator in your home, you already have the shaft space to accommodate it. So not only does he think about designing your home for today, he's thinking about designing your home for tomorrow as well for you as your
I
needs
love
change.
that. Absolutely.
Wow.
So again, we won't show, but more storage here. And now look at this room.
Beautiful
Your
view.
master suite here. Again, all those beautiful windows.
And all of your lots are
On the
preserved.
reserve.
That's
So there's
important to
great
point out.
privacy
Wow.
for all of the lots here in the Hammock. You're going to have nice private views on all of them.
And look, Carling, once you show this beautiful preserve, you can show, again, attention to detail.
Oh.
You've got the beautiful tile, goes down to the stairs, to this backyard, but then it wraps around the side.
All the way to the kitchen area.
Yes.
Now that flooring that you see out there is kind of a maintenance free. It looks like tile, but
it's
it's
not?
actually concrete.
Stop!
It's concrete.
I would have never,
You would have never
thought
known.
that.
And that enables the buyers to just power wash it. You won't have grout lines, so you won't have to worry about that ever getting dirty.
Is that
It's
Mike?
clear.
Did Mike do that? I know.
I can't give him everything. Glenn
come
does
on.
come up with
All
a
right,
few
Glenn,
things
I'm
every
going to
now
give
and
you
then.
that one. That actually is, I love
It's pretty
that.
cool. It's a nice feature.
Oh,
Gives you more bang.
Wow.
Those beautiful windows and that wonderful freestanding tub.
It's beautiful.
So we've done a very nice shower size there where you've got 3 controls. And again, another window, more light.
And a nice size
Not too
shower
big.
area, but not too big at all. No one's going to
Great
get
shower.
cold.
Exactly.
And again, look at this
Separate
beautiful
beautiful space.
cabinetry right here.
And we have soft close cabinets and drawers throughout the entire home
Love
for you
that.
here. And then, of course, these are some of those lighting fixtures that go along with those Control 4 that I showed you before. And then this is your master closet space.
It's huge.
Yeah.
But I'm glad, huge, but you want big because you
You
want
do.
it's for his and her,
It's
you know,
for his and
whatever.
hers.
Yeah.
And I like that you didn't do your built-ins. You
Correct.
didn't already do that.
They are included, of course. Every closet that we have here in the home will include a closet design system. It's just we're waiting again
Yes.
for the buyer to specify exactly what they would like to put into the home.
Because if your buyer, let's say, just as a shoe collector, well, there you
That's
go.
right. You might help
That
you
is the shoe closet.
To each his own.
Oh, I love that. And now, again, let's talk about the customization. I want to remind the viewer that Glen Layton Homes is a custom home builder. So
That is
talk us
correct.
through a little bit of the process when they meet with you.
Well, they meet with me on the first time, and then Glenn actually likes to come out and sit down and talk with all of our homeowners. His vision is phenomenal, the job that he does, and he has so personable because there are not many builders out here in Nocatee that actually get to sit down and talk with the name that's on the sign. So that is very powerful for our customers and for this this clientele too, they like that feature of being able to shake his hand.
Absolutely.
And, come to an agreement about the whole process and how it works. They just feel he puts them at ease.
Yes.
And that's very important for them with all of the selections that you have to do for custom. But getting started with Glen, and then we'll take you on to Mike Stauffer, as I mentioned before. And Mike is going to sit down with them and just talk about what their vision is for their home. What do they see when they walk into the driveway? What do you want to see when you walk into your home? How do you live in that space? Can you share a bedroom? Can you share a bath? Can you share a closet? So all of those features like that are very important conversation that he likes to have with you up front. And a budget, we take that into account as well. Everyone has a budget. If they're spending $200,000 or $2 million,
Correct.
we have to design a home to meet their budget. So that's a very important conversation that we
So
like to
it's
have.
very
on the budget.
intimate. That's
Absolutely.
what I'm getting from this, is that it's a family company. It's very intimate. They're going to ask you every question to meet your needs.
Absolutely.
You're never going to not see Katrina again. You meet her at the beginning, but you're going to see Katrina at the end. You meet Glenn at the beginning, you're going to meet him at the end. I mean, but it is.
All
It's
through
a
the
very
process.
amazing, intimate family company, but true custom
Truly
home
custom.
builder. From the ground up, you can build your dream home out here with Glen Layton Homes.
Absolutely.
So again, let's remind people, we are in the magnificent community called the Hammock at 20 Mile. 9 lots total, 3 technically are gone.
Correct.
So 6 left, y'all, and it's going to sell quickly. So if you are interested in a custom home, please meet with Katrina today. Somebody is here every day, so just give them a call or stop by. And
Absolutely.
thank you so much
Come on out and
again.
see us. We'd love to work with you.
Bye,
Have a great
y'all.
day.
Thank you.